Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making shrimp with walnut for lunch. So this is I already peeled the shrimp, but I leave the tail. So you can see that. I leave the tail. Just dry out with a paper towel after you wash them. And I have that rice flour, egg, salt, and sugar. That sugar goes to walnut later. Alright, so this is all the ingredients and we'll get started. So first we're going to spice the shrimp. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And just some of black pepper, like 1/8 teaspoon. And also a dash of salt. And we'll mix that. So when I cook a shrimp, just enough for each. This is only for 3 people, like 6 pieces of each. So now let's crack the egg and beat in the egg. So what I'm going to do, we dip the shrimp to the egg and dip right here to the flour. And of course, we'll fry it. My music is so high because we have constructions next to us and it's so noisy. So just distract the noise over there, you guys cannot hear it. It's my allergy attack me every day because of the dust over there, from there. Very dusty, digging the soil, and then every time we dig it, the dust will spread all over and we are next to them. Okay, now we're gonna need 1/2 cup of mayo. So 1 cup or 1/2 cup already. Okay, and then the 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Just mix it. Then we'll put it on the side. Just put it in the fridge right now while we're waiting for the shrimps will be done. So let's add some of oil for frying. I don't know how much. I mean, maybe 1/2 cup. Yeah, for frying. We cook the shrimp like 3 to 4 minutes. Just put your heat to medium. Now let's start flip over. Just make sure your shrimp is cooked. That's what I do with my shrimp. Oh! Okay, let's transfer this to the plate with a paper towel. So the shrimp is done. We're gonna do the walnut now. It's the next one. Okay, let's put the water there. And 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of honey. Just put your fire on a medium low. And 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Just mix it, and then we'll drop the walnut. Okay, this is gonna be so sticky. This is 4 ounces of walnut. It's supposed to be 1/2 cup, but I want mine a lot. So this is probably 1 cup. That I use ounces, so this is 4 ounces. So we simmer this until I get a little bit sticky in there. So I increase my heat to medium high. It should be looks like this. Turn off your heat, and then we're going to spread this one to aluminum foil or wax paper. That way it will not stick together. Okay. Here we're gonna drop this one here. Okay, this starts sticky now. You spread that one. Make sure that it will not get stick together. gonna let that cool down, and then we'll mix it up together with the shrimp, walnut, and the mayo. Alright, now I have this mixing bowl. I put the shrimp there. And also we put the walnut there. See how sticky it is? So the walnut is in. Now we're gonna put the mayonnaise there together. Or it's up to you if you wanna dip it only or you wanna mix it up. Me, I wanna mix it up. There we go. Now you can also, this is completely optional. You can spread black sesame seeds there, and also you can garnish some of the green onions. Got ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my shrimp with walnut, and I have a side of snow peas. You can side also broccoli with that, and also rice. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, okie dokie, see ya.